Omukonyi bw'omugavana ase county ya Kisii Dr. Robert Monda nigo ritkulia lero acha kobokoreri bwaye bene awase aikirana ase chiro ya Keumbu na koene kyabuna obochenu bwarokanire ase chire yogokwana chinga kecho Monda nigo arwe kuregetindi gochiase abakore mirimo bonse beserikali ya county ya Kisii na otabuna ondora achie gotaikirania emirimo yaye nigara achie kobutwe mirimo erio libage erio liegwe gasebaria berwe tokorera omwana inche mirimo chinga kecho nigo atebabuna nigo barachi kwenekia batarire chichiro chionsi me county ya Kisii kwenekia buna obochenu bwabere bokwenekiwa asebo igo bagania abaunchoreria kobeka goseka obochenu ase omustari mutwe muri keito Mildred Mumanyi norbato rwa senchira yobime magega yogotiani gwa kwa bagavana abachore kurwa chi county au ase wiki ya eta county ya Kisii nigo nero ya nyora omugavana obo omuyasimba arati amono mokonyo ye Dr. Robert Monda abo balia eira gochaka emeremo kegima ase obwatioku.
Having been elected as the governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm I have read and understood the specific leadership.
Having been elected as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm that I have read and understood the specific leadership.
Imeyomochi Keumbu nigo Dr. Monda achakire egasia ebene ase okorusia eubieyo yabeire omochando ase gekegetambe ase boigo alire eira gochio kogendereria emoroberio yo ase chitauni chinde ime county ya Kisii.
I decided as a deputy governor to start my first day of working this Sunday morning that I will have to stand here and ensure that Keumbu Market has no waste dump remaining here, decomposing. And as new government, on behalf of my governor Simbarat, I'm here to say we want Keumbu clean, we want Kisii clean, Ugembo, Namache, Eroka, and everywhere.
Boigo nigo atebire emerobelio bene elio barachigo kora elio koene kiabuna eubieyo nechigo chenchigwa koba eyengencho.
We have a program that we may have to dig trenches using these machines, these tractors. We do trenches in certain areas that we have identified so that the waste is dumped there. We compress it, cover it with soil compress again, and it will not be there for be it birds that carry anything from a market, they won't find it. And the one that we believe would be long lasting. As we do the budget now, we want to acquire machines that will be processing this waste. We sort the waste. For those that do not decompose, we put them aside, treat them differently. We recycle the plastics because they are recyclers who are looking for plastics.
Omo contractor Wilfred Bosire nerenigo arule okogania kwa egochia ase abamenyi kobeka eubieyo amo na gwakira Monda mbuya mono
Turangu tobi obyo bikoranje kurera karo cyombe osibigwa anya ocha bororo obwato obeka hamo nande obeka asali yaburusigo na barimo ko mukorete mesimo konya chimbane mwatikanga
ase chinga kiechecho nigo Dr. Monda akuleire abakori emeremo be county ya Kisii gokora emeremo yabo keboikeranu.
You are a doctor, be on your job, treat patients. If you are the one in charge of providing drugs in the hospital, we want drugs in the hospital. And if you are in charge of providing water, let's have water. And so we have different departments giving different types of services. Everyone be at your job.
Yinko reporter ya Egeta Senki Ndizi TV, iliyetaliane Mildred Mumanyi.